Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the 2018 Open House for Bartow High IB and Summerlin Academy. At this time, parents and students, you should be in your first period class, and you will have the opportunity to move around to all of the classrooms on your child's schedule. As you're in your first period, we do have several groups that we would like to talk to you about that we feel are vital to our school's success, and we want to encourage you to be a part of them. First of all, we have the BEST Committee. It is an organization that supports our school academically. BEST stands for Best in Education for Today and Tomorrow, and this group supports all three schools, Bartow High, IB, and Summerlin Academy. Additionally, we have PTSA, which was founded just a couple of years ago. PTSA is active in making our school a better place for learning, as well as providing support for improvements on our campuses. Our Athletic Booster Club supports our student athletes and coaches. This is a great organization for you to get involved with here at the Home of Champions. This group meets the first Tuesday of every month next to the football stadium at 6:00 p.m. We welcome all of you to get involved in this organization. And now Dr. Hardman will discuss several other groups.
We have three groups that I want to tell you about how you can be more involved in our school, and we need you. The first is Friends of IB. Friends of IB was started in 1990, and what it is a group of parents that help support our programs in IB. They help plan some of the receptions for medallion and penning, and they do a lot of great fundraisers for our kids. So this is your way to stay engaged with your student here at the campus, because Friends of IB needs you. The second is the Captain's Council for Summerlin. Summerlin is a unique school, and what they need are good advocating parents to come to the school and to help out with their many student-driven activities. We know that parent involvement is what helps our students succeed and our school succeed. The third opportunity is SAC, and that is where you can come and serve on the SAC committee. We have students, we have parents, we have staff, we even have district personnel on our SAC committee. We want your voice on how to make our school better. But what we want to remind you this evening is to vote. We need your vote on who is on the SAC committee. This is very important. So let's start off this evening by making your vote count. And we want you to look at the ballot in every first period, and we want you to vote. And we're counting on you to help us make our school better. We're going to sign off now for Ms. Clemens and I. And yes, we're looking for that principal for Summerlin, and that will happen very soon. So you'll see us around. You'll see our administration team out there. So please ask us questions and have a great evening.